Social media has made it seem that my life is boring, ordinary. I feel like I have grown a weird fear of missing out. Right, because when I get online and I'm on Instagram and I'm on Snapchat, Twitter, whatever, and I'm seeing everybody doing amazing things and going to amazing places, it makes it seem that I'm not living the life that I feel like I should be living. But I don't even know what that life is. But it makes it seem that I'm behind in a weird way. Even though I'm running my race and I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, it just seems that people are moving at a rapid pace and doing amazing things and out all the time. Now I understand that people can curate their life to fit the aesthetic of social media, right? But sometimes your brain convinces you that you're not doing enough, or you're not living the life that you want to live, or it's taking too long. And sometimes it discourages you for continuing and trying to improve in the area that you say you're going to improve in. Or it makes like, what's the point? I'm gonna be too old when I get to that point anyway. Why even pursue that dream, right? Because I'm turning 29 in a couple of days, and I hear all the time that I'm getting older and I'm old, I'm close to 30 and all these things, but relatively, I'm still very young. But through social media and talking to teenage kids, it makes you seem that you're super old. But back to the topic at hand, it makes me wonder, am I missing out? And if I'm missing out, what I'm missing out on, right? Because I see a lot of people partying, going to concerts, making a lot of improvement in life, going to church. These things feel like that I should be feeling in my life, right? I find myself going out sometimes with friends and going drinking with them just because I don't want to sit in the house by myself, because I feel like I should be doing something on a Saturday night or on a Friday night, right? Where I really had nothing to do, but I'm on social media scrolling and I see everybody's out Friday, Saturday night, right? Not knowing their current situation in their lives. It just seems that everybody's just living this great life, not understanding the underlying issues in their lives and just what they portray. And I feel like that's the dangers of social media, because it makes you feel that I'm never doing enough. I'm never where I need to be. I'm never at the lit parties. I've noticed one time when I was younger, I see people out at this spot, and then I get to the spot and it wasn't as fun as people portrayed it on social media. Because now if you go out, you know a lot of people just on their phones, just standing around drinking or just talking. It's not really like a fun time, right? I remember when I was young, I would go to clubs, like a lot of dancing and all kind of lights. It was gonna be a vibe, but really nowadays it's not really that. It's just people standing around. A few people dancing here and there. There's people like community here and there, but mostly it's just people standing around on their phone, drinking, talking, really. With loud music, you can barely hear them. And I find myself tricking myself every single time to go out to experience that, only to be let down, only to spend money that I didn't need, only to wake up tomorrow morning with a hangover possibly, and a few more pounds from drinking. And I have to keep reminding myself, hey man, you're not missing out on anything. Keep running your race. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep pursuing what you're trying to pursue. And I think I get discouraged because it's not on time. It's not moving at the pace I want to. And I'm also not, to be transparent, I'm not doing everything I'm supposed to do to make it happen. Because I'm like, how long I have to grind for this? How long I have to be in this phase of my life to get to the next phase, to the fun stuff. I just need the money so I could do the fun stuff that I see on social media. But once you realize you get there and you're doing all these things, you don't even realize that you were just complaining about being in those same rooms a month ago when you were sitting at your house on a Friday night. I don't know where I was going with that, but I just feel like just stay in your lane, do what you do, and it's social media and what people are doing, and like the art of like feeling like you're left out is a real thing. But I also feel like you're never really missed out on nothing. People portray an amazing life or amazing situation or doing amazing things. And don't get me wrong, sometimes people are really doing amazing things and where they're at is really fun. But you're not missing out. It's just not your turn. It's just not your time. Your time is coming. And when you're trying to rush to get to your turn, or rush to get to where you're trying to go, that's when you stumble and fall.